Now that you're able to make your presentation look nicer, the next step is to make it interactive. The few times that I use quotes, I don't simply put them on the screen. What I do is I put the words, but then I make sure I highlight the words as I speak. Alright? So it's basically this. Now, that's not as hard as you think. All the assets that you need are downloadable here, but I'm gonna show you right now on PowerPoint how you do that. This is a sample text. Let me do it again. This is a sample text. This can be used to actually emphasize specific words or portions of a sentence, and you can make it appear as you speak. This is how you do it. First thing you need is to actually create a text box. Create your text box. Then you add your words, add your font, and etc. I'm not going to do it because we already have it over here. Now, the second thing you need is to create a rectangle. This is how you do it. Insert, shapes, rectangle. And we're going to keep it over here. All right, now let's worry about the color. So you select the rectangle, go over here, shape fill. Don't forget we're under format. Let's choose yellow, sure. But if we place it over here, it's going to be one, way too bright, and two, we can't quite see the words behind it. Now, let's go to shape fill again, more fill colors, and here we can set transparency. And I'm gonna let's keep it at 64%. The other thing that you may realize is that we have an outline. Look, but we don't want that. So let's take that out. Select, shape outline, no outline. Good. Now you're gonna place that on top of your desired word. Let's keep it over here. Let's say I want it this tall. And you can worry about specific and making it super pretty when you're creating your presentation. Now, once that's done, we should probably add the animation, which is what makes the whole thing happen. So let's place the actual words in the middle of the screen. There you go. Now, let's place this on top. By the way, it should be on top right now. Okay, the box should be on top of the word right now. I'm going to explain it in a second, but bear with me. So for now, we click on the rectangle. Then you go animations, wipe, and you see this effect options from left. Otherwise, the animation is going to go from bottom up, and we don't want that. We want left, right. So that's why you choose from left. Now that that has been created, you're going to make a copy, Control C or Command C, and then Control V or Command V. You place it where you want next, if you want a different one, because now it's just easy. You don't have to redo the whole animation thing. It's already there. The one thing that's wrong still is that the box is on top. It just kind of makes the word vanish-ish because the yellow portion is covering it. This is what you do. You click on one of the boxes, hold Shift, then you click on the other one. Now you're selecting both. Right click, send to back. You're gonna send all the way back. And this should send the boxes all the way behind the text. The reason why we don't do that before is if we need to make any editing in the boxes, now we don't have straight access to it because the text is in front of it, you see? And if you need to go to the actual animation, you can click on the number. Okay, so you see wipe here, then wipe here. Now let's give it a shot. Okay, there's nothing there. So when you're gonna say this, you just click next. So you can say again, this, and now is a click sample text. Now let's say you think that sample text is going way too quickly. Okay, this is how you solve it. You can actually move the speed. Let's send the words to the back. Okay, so click the words, right click, send to back. Now we have access to this again, really fast. Come here on timing, duration, and you can actually increase this. If you bump this to 2 seconds, let's say, you're gonna see that's gonna take forever for it to actually work. Let me send it to back again. There you go. Present it. So this Now, you see, it takes a lot longer. But let's say we don't want it that quickly. So let's click on number and we can go just 1 second long. There you go. And this one is going to be 50 seconds. Oh, 0.5 second. This is a sample text. There you go. And this is how you do it. Enjoy it.